In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment on account in Xero. This user-friendly platform can streamline your accounting processes, and with just a few clicks, you'll be managing your finances like a pro. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, head over to the official Xero website. It's essential to ensure you're on the correct site to maintain the security of your financial data. Once you've arrived at the home page, you'll notice a login button situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Carefully type in your email and password associated with your Xero account. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your credentials, click on the login button to access your Xero dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is your financial command center where you can see an overview of your business's financial health at a glance. For our next step, look for the Reconcile option. Clicking on this will take you to a section dedicated to reconciling your transactions, an essential part of keeping your accounts accurate and up to date. In the Reconcile section, you'll see an option labeled Find and Match. This powerful feature allows you to match bank transactions with those recorded in Xero, ensuring that your records are consistent with your actual bank statements. Click on Find and Match to proceed. After selecting Find and Match, you'll then need to click on New Transaction. This is where you can manually add any transactions that haven't been automatically imported into Xero. It's particularly useful for recording miscellaneous payments or deposits that need to be accounted for. Within the New Transaction interface, select Receive Money. This is the option you'll use to record incoming payments, such as customer payments or other forms of income. It's a straightforward way to ensure that your earnings are accurately reflected in your financial reports. At this point, you'll need to input the details of the payment you're recording. Make sure to include all relevant information, such as the amount, the payer, and what the payment is for. Accurate data entry here is crucial for maintaining organized records. Once you've input all the necessary details, you'll come across the option to select direct payment or overpayment. Choose direct payment if the amount exactly matches an invoice or bill in Xero. If the amount received is more than the invoice or bill amount, select overpayment. This helps keep your accounts receivable accurately reflected. After making your selection, it's time to save transaction. Clicking this will officially record the transaction in Xero, updating your accounts accordingly. You're almost done. Finally, to complete the reconciliation process, you need to click on Reconcile. This confirms that the transaction matches with your bank statement, ensuring that your accounts are accurate and up to date. Lastly, click on OK to finalize everything. Congratulations, you've successfully made a payment on account in Xero and reconciled it with your bank statement. A few tips before we wrap up. Always double check the details you enter to avoid any discrepancies in your accounts. Regularly reconciling your transactions is key to maintaining healthy financial records and can save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to making a payment on account in Xero and ensuring your financial records are accurate and reliable. Thanks for following along. Managing your business finances doesn't have to be a daunting task with Xero's intuitive platform. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more familiar you become with these processes, the more efficiently you'll manage your business accounts. Happy reconciling.